Everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we approach the end of 2024, we're excited to share with you a comprehensive review of the open source AI ecosystem. In collaboration with aworld.eu, we'll be exploring the most significant developments, trends, and insights from the past year. So, let's dive in and see what's been happening in the world of AI. Day 1, 6 predictions for AI in 2025. To kick off our review, let's take a look at 6 predictions for AI in 2025. From advancements in natural language processing to increased adoption of explainable AI, these predictions offer a glimpse into what the future of AI might hold. But before we dive into the predictions, let's ask you, what do you think will be the biggest AI trend in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Day 2, most liked and downloaded models. Now, let's talk about the most liked and downloaded models on Hugging Face. From 2022 to today, we've seen a significant increase in model adoption, with Meta, Stability, and Black Forest Labs leading the pack. But have you ever wondered what makes a model popular? Is it the accuracy, the ease of use, or something else entirely? Let's discuss in the comments. Day 3, Fast and Furious model releases. The Hugging Face community has been releasing models at an incredible pace, with some models gaining thousands of likes and downloads in just a few days. But what drives this rapid development? Is it the competition, the collaboration, or the sheer excitement of creating something new? Share your thoughts, and let's explore the psychology behind model development. Day 4, 0 to 1 million models. The Hugging Face community has grown exponentially, with over 1 million models created in just a few years. That's a staggering number, and it's a testament to the power of open source collaboration. But what does this mean for the future of AI? Will we see even more rapid growth, or will we hit a plateau? Let's discuss the implications and possibilities. Day 5, the HF Network, what your likes say about you. Have you ever wondered what your likes and downloads say about you as a developer or researcher? The HF Network can give us some insights into the connections between users and their favorite models. But what does this mean for the future of AI development? Will we see more personalized models, or will we move towards more general-purpose AI? Share your thoughts. Day 6, 33 months of models per task. Over the last 33 months, more than 1.1 M models have been created for 53 specialized tasks. That's a lot of models, and it's a testament to the diversity of the Hugging Face community. But what are the most popular tasks, and why are they so popular? Let's explore the data and see what we can learn. Day 7, the global top 500 model creators. The Hugging Face community is global, with creators from all over the world contributing to the platform. But who are the top model creators, and what makes them so successful? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn from the best. Day 8, average daily downloads for the top 100 trending models. The top 100 trending models on Hugging Face are downloaded thousands of times every day. But what makes these models so popular, and how can we use this data to improve our own models? Let's dive into the numbers and see what we can learn. Day 9, NeurIPS Noel, unwrapping the keywords of AI's holiday spirit. NeurIPS is one of the premier conferences in AI research, and this year's papers offer valuable insights into the latest trends and advancements. But what are the most popular keywords, and what do they tell us about the state of AI research? Let's unwrap the keywords and see what's inside. Day 10, the Great AI Bake-Off, which field is rising? The AI landscape is constantly evolving, with new fields and subfields emerging all the time. But which field is rising to the top, and why? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn about the future of AI. Day 11, Paper Trail, top upvoted papers on the Hub. The Hugging Face community is not just about models, it's also about research and papers. What are the top upvoted papers on the Hub? And what do they tell us about the state of AI research? Let's follow the paper trail and see where it leads. Day 12, China and US dominating AI research. The US and China are dominating AI research, but what does this mean for the future of AI? Will we see a shift in the balance of power, or will these two countries continue to lead the way? Let's discuss the implications and possibilities. Day 13, the NeurIPS class of 2024, leading research institutions. The NeurIPS class of 2024 is a who's who of leading research institutions. But what makes these institutions so successful, and how can we learn from their examples? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 14, Machine Vision's Reign, top research topics at NeurIPS 2022 to 2024. Machine vision is one of the hottest topics in AI research, and NeurIPS has been at the forefront of this trend. But what are the top research topics, and how have they evolved over time? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 15, the economic case for open source AI. The economic case for open source AI is clear. It drives innovation, reduces costs, and increases collaboration. But what are the key drivers of this trend, and how can we ensure that open source AI continues to thrive? Let's discuss the economics of open source AI and see what we can learn. Day 16, the dataset boom. How different AI fields grow on Hugging Face. The dataset boom is real, and it's driving growth across different AI fields. But what are the most popular datasets, and how can we use them to improve our models? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 17, permission granted, most used licenses across the Hub. Licenses are a crucial part of open source AI, and the most used licenses on Hugging Face are a testament to the community's commitment to collaboration. But what are the implications of these licenses, and how can we use them to ensure that our models are used responsibly? Let's discuss the importance of licenses in open source AI. Day 18, Dataset Darlings, most liked datasets of 2024. The most liked datasets of 2024 are a diverse bunch, ranging from instruction following to scientific research. But what makes these datasets so popular, and how can we use them to improve our models? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 19, the narrowing gap, open source versus closed source AI. The gap between open source and closed source AI is narrowing, and it's an exciting time for the AI community. But what are the implications of this trend, and how can we ensure that open source AI continues to thrive? Let's discuss the future of AI and see what we can learn. Day 20, Babel in the Machine, language distribution across Hugging Face datasets. The language distribution across Hugging Face datasets is a fascinating topic, and it tells us a lot about the diversity of the AI community. But what are the implications of this diversity, and how can we use it to improve our models? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 21, the Circle of Sharing, how open datasets power AI innovation. The circle of sharing is a powerful concept in open source AI, and it's driving innovation across the community. But what are the key drivers of this trend, and how can we ensure that open datasets continue to power AI innovation? Let's discuss the importance of sharing in open source AI. Day 22, December Stars, top trending spaces on Hugging Face. The top trending spaces on Hugging Face are a testament to the community's creativity and innovation. But what makes these spaces so popular, and how can we use them to improve our own models? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 23. Mapping AI's languages of models and datasets. The languages of models and datasets are a fascinating topic, and it tells us a lot about the diversity of the AI community. But what are the implications of this diversity, and how can we use it to improve our models? Let's take a look at the data and see what we can learn. Day 24. Waiting for surprise. And finally, we are waiting for surprise. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and we can't wait to see what's in store. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Hugging Face space, and we'll catch you in the next video. That's a wrap for our Open Source AI Year in Review 2024. We've covered a lot of ground, from predictions and growth metrics to research analysis and economic aspects. If you like this video, be sure to like the Hugging Face space to receive notifications for future content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content, and we'll catch you in the next one.